Namaste. Today, we are going to present to you a topic that can open up a world of possibilities in your life. Today, we will explore the essential aspects of Ayurveda that have yet to be discovered in modern medicine. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of healthcare, is a comprehensive process that goes beyond the boundaries of modern medical practices. Understanding the deep knowledge of Ayurveda can change our perspective. So, let's embark on this captivating journey and explore the significant aspects of Ayurveda that set it apart from modern medicine. Individual approach towards complete well-being. Ayurveda and modern medicine have different approaches when it comes to treatment. Modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms, while Ayurveda emphasizes understanding the root cause of an illness. In Ayurveda, each person is seen as unique, with their own physical and emotional traits. This means that treatments are tailored to address the specific imbalances in an individual's body, offering a personalized and holistic healing experience. The power of nature, utilizing natural remedies. Ayurveda harnesses the power of nature to restore balance and promote well-being. Ayurvedic practitioners create powerful medicinal formulations using a wide range of herbs, plants, roots, and minerals. These natural remedies not only alleviate symptoms but also nourish the body, mind, and spirit. Unlike modern medication, which often relies on synthetic compounds, Ayurvedic remedies are gentle, nourishing, and free from harmful side effects. Healthy lifestyle and diet. The foundation of well-being. Ayurveda recognizes the crucial connection between lifestyle, diet, and overall health. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining a balanced routine and following dietary guidelines that support individual constitutions. According to Ayurvedic principles, conscious choices regarding food, exercise, sleep, and daily habits empower individuals to take control of their well-being. By nurturing the body and mind through healthy lifestyle practices, Ayurveda offers a preventive approach to healthcare, promoting longevity and vitality. Mind-body harmony. Balancing the physical and emotional. In our fast-paced lives, stress and emotional imbalances have become prevalent. Ayurveda acknowledges the intimate relationship between the mind and body and provides effective tools to restore harmony. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness help individuals develop a deeper awareness of their emotional states and cultivate resilience. By nurturing the mind-body connection, Ayurveda aids in reducing stress, enhancing mental clarity, and promoting emotional well-being. Time-tested wisdom. A legacy of centuries. To truly understand the significance of Ayurveda, we must acknowledge that it is not a mere concept, it is a centuries-old system of healing. Ayurveda's success in addressing various health conditions and promoting overall well-being stands as a testament to its wisdom. Its deep understanding of the human body and its connection to nature has made it a respected tradition. As modern medicine continues to advance, it is crucial to recognize and embrace the invaluable knowledge that Ayurveda offers. Embracing synergy. Integrating Ayurveda and modern medicine. Ayurveda does not dismiss the advancements of modern medicine. Instead, it encourages the integration of the best practices from both systems. By combining the precision of modern diagnostics and surgical techniques with the wisdom of Ayurveda, we can create a healthcare paradigm that addresses the complex needs of the human body and fosters holistic well-being. Unlocking the potential. Embracing Ayurveda's wisdom. Ayurveda holds the key to unlocking the limitations of modern medication. Its holistic approach and profound insights into the human body and nature can enrich our lives in countless ways. By understanding and embracing the principles, treatments, and practices of Ayurveda, we can embark on a transformative journey towards optimal health and well-being. You have witnessed how Ayurveda can open the doors to overcome the limitations of modern medicine. Its comprehensive approach and deep connection with nature can have a profound impact on our lives. By embracing the principles, treatments, and practices of Ayurveda, we can experience a profound shift in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Ayurveda has the power to restore balance, promote vitality, and enhance our overall quality of life. Its emphasis on personalized care, natural remedies, and holistic lifestyle choices provides a pathway to optimum health and well-being. By embracing Ayurveda, we can tap into the timeless wisdom that has been passed down through generations and unlock the potential for a harmonious and fulfilling life. Incorporating Ayurvedic practices into our daily lives can bring about remarkable transformations. By paying attention to our individual constitution, adopting a balanced lifestyle, and nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods, we can experience renewed energy, improved digestion, and enhanced immunity. Ayurveda offers us a roadmap to make conscious choices that support our well-being and enable us to live life to its fullest potential. Moreover, Ayurveda recognizes the importance of mental and emotional well-being. Through mindfulness, meditation, and stress management techniques, we can cultivate inner peace, emotional resilience, and a greater sense of purpose. Ayurveda reminds us to nurture not only our physical health but also our mental and emotional states, creating a harmonious union between mind, body, and spirit. The time-honored wisdom of Ayurveda is a gift that has stood the test of time. Its principles, rooted in the understanding of our innate connection to nature, offer us a profound understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. By embracing Ayurveda, we honor the wisdom of our ancestors and tap into a wealth of knowledge that can guide us towards a more vibrant, balanced, and meaningful life. In conclusion, Ayurveda holds the key to unlocking the limitations of modern medicine. Its holistic approach, individualized care, and profound wisdom provide us with the tools to achieve optimum health and well-being. By incorporating Ayurvedic principles into our lives, we can transcend the boundaries of modern medicine and embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more harmonious, and fulfilling existence.